Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Forza Horizon 5 not launching when you try to open that game. Here, in order to make it run and you can play the game, so make sure you install the DirectX and user runtime web installer. Here you can access, this is web installer you can access from Microsoft.com official website. So this DirectX and user runtime install a number of runtime libraries from the legacy DirectX SDK for some games that use DX9, DX10, DX11, and also X Audio 2.7, X Input, and so on. So make sure you install this DirectX. Next, make sure your system is installing this Visual C++ redistributable latest supported download, so you can get it from learn.microsoft.com. Here you can download the latest version. So here you can download 3 files here, then install on your system. Here, download it, FC Redis. And after you install the DirectX and the Visual C++ redistributable, you can restart your system. And before you launch the game, you can also access your task manager. Right click on this taskbar. Now you can search the random background process that you think this is not important. For example, let's try to stop gaming service. Just click end task. And also some Microsoft or some like background process or random that you don't know what is that, you can try to end the process. After that, for example, you can right click the games icon, then go to the properties, click the properties. Now you can click the compatibility and make sure you tick this box, run this program as administrator, and run this program is compatibility for Windows 8, for example, or just leave it be, but this is important. You can run this program as administrator, apply, and OK, then launch your game. And of course, don't forget to keep update with your driver, your GPU driver. I'm use the Adrenaline edition of the AMD. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.